Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my niece Destiny and this is her boyfriend Jerry, and today we're going to be bleach dyeing his hair because we're bored and we don't know if we're going to do it right. So here we go.
If it falls off, it's okay.
This is not our hair, so who cares?
Alright, we're gonna...
And also, she's doing it. I'm just going to watch her do it.
I bleached my own hair before, but not someone else's. So we're gonna use these, I don't know. We got them from Sally's. Alright.
So we're gonna bleach his hair first and then we're gonna dye it purple after if everything goes according to plan.
Yeah. So,
these were all last minute Sally Beauty purchases, so.
So we're gonna use 30 volume because Brad Mondo says to.
Are you using the whole bottle?
Maybe we should go too.
3 ounces?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put 3 ounces of developer, which is 30 volume, and then 1 packet of bleach.
What are you gonna do with the other packet?
Keep it. Just, we need more or...
So we use 30 volume developer, Shimmer Lights shampoo for blonde and silver, and we're using Dusty Violet hair dye, and it's supposed to come out a purpley silver, and we bought all this last minute at Sally's.
So we have them bleach mixed, and I'm not a licensed, what are they called when they do hair? Cosmetologist?
This is disgusting.
Oh yeah, I don't know how to do hair professionally too.
A hairdresser.
So if it comes out bad, don't come to me. Alright, bend over.
This is disgusting. And you know everybody only comes if it goes bad. I mean, I'm not hoping that it goes bad. I hope it does really well. But like,
all we're saying is we're doing it for the views.
it's like 5 views in the view.
Okay. Oh my god, if I can get the freaking glow on. Okay, I'm scared. Should I start with like, I need to go for it?
I would say start with these pieces,
Like the
and then, yeah, and then work your way to the roots. Even though his hair is like boy hair and it's all roots, that looks sick.
12 seconds later.
It looks like you're plastering it down.
Yeah. But that's gonna take like quicker than the rest of this.
No.
Let me start from the back. Oh, I don't even know how to do this. I know, but I wanted to make it like...
Do you want me to hold the cup for you?
Yeah, so I can use my hand.
Wait, grab it and then I'll grab it by the handle.
Oh.
All right, there.
Okay, let's start. Does it burn? Oh. I was like...
That's all of them. Man, look at killing your kid.
Cover all the little hairs, but go over the thickest parts first and then worry about the rest later. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I don't want to give him like freaking chemical burns on his scalp.
That's why I said do like the
Like
back
what?
pieces last. It's definitely lightening it. Are you gonna put all of it on? You might as well just lather it all on.
Should I put more in the back?
Yeah, I would put all of it.
A few moments later.
Okay.
Oh, that's why they have that.
So now we're putting a bag on and we're gonna let the dye sit for 40 minutes.
Well, actually, you have to check back every 10 minutes.
Well, we're gonna check back every 10 minutes just to be sure, but
If
it's supposed to be on a
doesn't
total
fall
of 10.
That's where they have those heating things?
Yeah. Because the...
Dusty, you're wrapping like his whole freaking face in the front.
I didn't notice. I thought it was... Okay, there. Alright.
So we'll check on it every 10 minutes,
And then go.
but leave it on for a total of 40. So this is his hair after 20 minutes.
I think I did pretty good.
It's coming out very nice, I think.
Brad Mondo, please tell me if I did good or not. So far, I'm doing this right. I think it's just because it's bothering him.
So this is 30 minutes.
It's already been 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had 10 more minutes.
I get it.
Are you sure?
And this is the final product before we wash it out. This is really fun. Alright,
I did pretty
Destiny.
good.
Let's do this.
2 hours later.
Is it bad?
Do you want to see what it looks like?
Well, why are you checking it? See how bad.
Can you see it?
Look it. We would have been fine if we would have waited.
Oh, God.
Oh, we have it?
Okay, so it looks entirely different when we take the bleach out.
Because you didn't want to waste the full time.
Okay.
You look like some 41. I don't even know if you'll get that joke.
Okay, sit down so I can look toner in it. Hopefully it'll take some.
Alright, Shane Dawson.
Oh my god. I mean, it looks cool.
No shampoo.
Hopefully if I just put a...
So now we're putting in toner to hopefully correct this, even though we know it's probably not going to.
Yeah. Hopefully take some of it out.
Mm.
Oh my god. Put it everywhere. Were we?
Yeah.
I think we should have just left it in, like, for the full amount
Yeah, there's
of like 40 minutes. Well, we were almost there. What time was it? It was like...
We have like 15 minutes.
I mean, his hair was really dark, though.
Like almost black.
Well, this is his hair after toner, and it still looks like Ronald McDonald. It's still orange.
Maybe just bleach it again. You didn't even get all the shampoo out.
It needs one more bleach. It just needs one more, and it sucks because we don't have any developer.
We do have developer.
Round 2 of bleaching.
My hair fall off.
You go bald. Oh man.
It's not that I wasn't doing it quick enough, but that you didn't leave it on long enough.
Anyway, round 2 of bleaching because his hair turned bright orange.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what you want me to do. Not dye your hair? I can leave it orange.
It's already too late. Just keep going. What's his problem?
He said it burns.
It burns way worse than the first time.
Well, yeah, if you would have just left it on.
Oh
it would've
no.
burned off. I'm sorry.
It's burning? Like really bad.
Like I said.
So this is our second dye.
Does it look orange?
Our second bleach dye. It doesn't look orange anymore.
You sure?
It
On the
looks...
camera, it looks like white. Like white.
That doesn't look white. Should we just wait? I mean, kinda.
Well, I'd have to see without the towel.
No.
Excellent.
Second bleaching. Actually, Destiny, that looks better.
The roots look better. It's just the what's it called look like. I think it'll be fine.
I think it looks better than the first time. The first time was bright orange. This is okay compared to the first one. Destiny, it looks way better than the first time.
No, it's fine. Oh, maybe you did have a scratch.
Oh my god.
Well, it's because you're scratching your head.
Adding toner for the second time tonight. Second bleaching, second toning. I think it looks better than the first time though, way better.
I think it'll take its time.
My hair's dead. I can feel it.
It's fine.
Okay. We dried it. It looks a lot better now, and she's gonna add the color.
Well,
What color is it?
it's called.
Was it like dusty violet?
Yeah.
And now we're rinsing out the hair dye. Alright, the finished product. It is pretty much an ash blonde.
With the hint of lilac.
Lilac, lavender, violet tones.
Yeah.
It's nicer than the yellow or the orange. It's way nicer than the yellow
I
or the
don't like my
orange.
hair this color. The back turn out. I feel like the back is where you can see like the lavender.
Oh yeah, the purpley color.
My hair's still a little wet though.
It's
See how it
nice.
looks on camera? Oh, it looks pretty on camera.
As I told you, it looks totally different.
Yeah, it's just part of it, so it looks dark. It looks like a K-pop fan.
It does. Alright, so that concludes this last minute hair dye video. I think his hair came out really nice considering that we did it in total 3 hours and we used last minute Sally's beauty products and we actually turned it orange for a bit, but in the end he actually got a really nice ash blonde ombre, which is a step up from that orange color. So if you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe for more, because in my next video I will be attempting to dye my hair without any bleach. I'm going to be dyeing it purple, so stay tuned for that. Bye!